wonders of Argentina. 1. Buenos Aires, the Paris of South America. The heart and soul of Argentina, Buenos Aires is a city that never sleeps. From tango-filled streets of San Telmo to the colorful houses of La Boca. Whether you're exploring historic landmarks like Casa Rosada or enjoying a classic Argentine empanada at a local cafe, this city will steal your heart. Córdoba, the colonial jewel. A city where history meets modern charm, Córdoba is known for its stunning Spanish colonial architecture and vibrant student life. If you love culture, museums, and hidden cafes, this is the place to be. Mendoza, the wine capital of Argentina. If you're a wine lover, Mendoza is heaven on earth. Surrounded by vineyards in the Andes Mountains, this region produces some of the finest Malbec wine in the world. Sip, relax, and enjoy the view. Rosario, birthplace of Che Guevara and Messi. Famous for its riverfront views, artistic vibe, and as the hometown of football legend Lionel Messi. If you're into football history and street art, Rosario is a must-visit. Argentina is a country of extremes, where nature's wonders leave you speechless and cities pulse with energy and passion. Whether you're exploring the vast wildlands or dancing to the rhythm of tango, there's something for everyone in this incredible land. If you love this virtual journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel adventures. Let us know in the comments, what's your dream destination in Argentina?